Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Spykar. In this one, I'm going to do the Kinemaster video rendering speed test comparison between the Realme GT Neo 2 versus Realme GT device. Snapdragon 870 versus Snapdragon 888 processor, and this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers. So that's the reason that I'm doing this kind of video. And all my videos are only uploaded based upon the request messages which I'm getting. So everything, all the videos, whatever I'm trying to upload. Now let me try to start with the first clearing all the apps from the background. So all the apps are completely clear from the background. Let's open the Kinemaster application. So first I did load the 1080 video clip. So this is a 1080 video clip which I have loaded. So first I try to convert the 1080 into 1080 and 1080 into the 4K. So in this we will be able to understand which phone has got really good powerful in terms of the overall exporting and rendering speeds. So right now I'm trying to convert the 1080 into 1080. You can see the expected size of very same 222 MB in both phones. Expected size, nothing much major differences. Now let me need to click on the same time in both phones. So I'm trying to click at same time, 1 2 1 3. Let's see friends how much difference it can be there. Snapdragon 888 processor versus Snapdragon 870. How many seconds? I can see the Snapdragon 888 processor is going slightly faster than the Snapdragon 870. So this is a test which I'm trying to do after the recent update, which is Realme UI 3.0 update. And even after the recent update from the Realme GT Neo 2 as well, which is October security patch update. So I thought of doing this kind of video, just letting you know what is happening in the speeds. You can see Snapdragon 888 processor definitely outperforms this Snapdragon 870. The 888 finished around 35 seconds of time, and the Realme GT Neo 2 is taking slightly more time, 35 seconds, and in this phone it's taking kind of close to 10 more seconds, so slightly maybe 9 to 10 seconds more time in the Realme GT Neo 2 if you're trying to convert 1080 to 1080. Now let's go to the further testing, which is a 4K. 4K, the expected size is of very same. It's exactly 684 MB expected size in these both phones, Realme GT and the Realme GT Neo 2 and the GT device. Now let me need to start 1080 to 4K rendering speeds. Now we'll be able to understand what is happening. 1 2 1 3. So now we'll be able to find out what is going on and whether the Snapdragon 870 can it beat in these extreme conditions Realme GT device or not. So these are the two different testing friends which I need to do every time when I'm trying to make any kind of video exporting. So just to give a basic idea, right now the Realme GT Neo 2 is coming very close to the Realme GT. So I'm not using any GT mode at this moment, using the high performance mode and GT mode. Sometimes this can actually boost up some performance sometimes. And the first phone to finish is the Realme GT, and next is a GT Neo 2. So only there is a little bit differences and not a huge difference between these both phones in terms of the speed wise. That's one thing which I did observe. Only few seconds in terms of the 4K rendering speeds. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use the GT mode. Let's use the GT mode which is present in this. Yes. So GT mode is on, and let's repeat the same test, which is a 4K test. Let's see what gonna. Let me need to clear the application from the background. Some people they did mention that you need to close the application and open it again to make it work. So let's follow everything. I'm trying to clear everything, most of the doubts. So yes, there's nothing wrong in wasting few seconds and clearing your doubts. So let's go to the 4K rendering. So 4K, I did close the application and I did open it again. So 4K, same expected size, everything is pretty same. So 1 2 and 3. So this time using the GT mode. So will it make any difference in both phones in the GT mode? Because without GT mode, the Realme GT was able to finish slightly faster than this Realme GT Neo 2. So using GT mode, you can say I think slightly maybe faster it looks in the Realme GT device. I think maybe because of the small screen, sometimes it feels going very faster. But let's see what's going to happen. Can this GT mode increase any kind of gap between these two phones or not? Because previously the gap is only 1 second difference is there between these both phones, the gap. But now I think the gap is slightly gonna increase because the Snapdragon 888 processor was able to finish very much quicker than the Snapdragon 870 if you're using the GT mode. That's the difference using the GT mode and without using GT mode. Wow, there's a huge difference. Before there's only 1 second and 2 seconds difference, but now the Realme GT was able to finish exactly around 1 minute of time. This finished 1 minute, but now the gap, you can see there is a huge gap. So the GT mode is impacting a lot in this Snapdragon 888 processor, which clearly pushes all the performance, and this finished around 1 minute and 16 seconds. 16 seconds difference is there between these both phones. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this, friends. Stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries between these both devices, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and bye. And final result is Realme GT is slightly faster. I think only few seconds difference is there. 20 seconds and 10 to 20 seconds difference. Nothing much huge difference when compared with the Snapdragon 870. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video and stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.